Another feature that you can taking advantage of when you're working with the SketchUp is adding a text into your scene. It could be like, for example, a sign or any other application that you are think of. To adding a text to the SketchUp, basically, you can go to the tool up here and then find the text or 3D text, or you can use down here a 3D text. If I click on the 3D text, this menu show up, and here I can type whatever text I want to add, like for example WPI, and then I can say, for example, change the text to whatever format that I want. I can change the alignments. I can use it as a field or like not filled. I want it to be extrude. So for example, I'm going to go for like 10 feet, and I'm going to change this one, for example, to 2 or maybe 3. And then I'm going to place it somewhere on like drawing area, so you can see that this is like, for example, WPA added, and after that we can just place this and then move this along and rotate this along on the scene and then place it on the right place. We also can explode this. I'm gonna go over these things afterward, but basically what happened is that once I place this text in my scene, if I click here, you see that even double clicking on this, I can't edit any of this like just like a normal type of text. It's become kind of a geometry and part of the uh, part of the uh, part of the scene. We're going to talk about the grouping a component later on in the course, but basically remember that now this is SketchUp understand this as one big group here. So like all the other features, like for example push and pull tools will be work on this. You can we're gonna go over the scale later on, or rotating this, moving this. Like for example, I'm gonna click here, double click, and then we can move these things around. So I can adjust these things, but not in a conventional way that you work in other software in terms of working with this. Then I'm gonna go back to this selection, double click outside, and that's gonna be my text.